the Smiths is played in standard tuning with no capo. For the first chord in this song, we're going to play a D triad, but we're going to put the F sharp in the bass here. So we've got a first finger bar across the second fret on the G, B and high E strings, second finger on the third fret of the B, and then the third finger is going to play the fourth fret on the D string. That's the F sharp note there. And in the strumming pattern, we're just going to strum down, up, down. Then we're going to move down to the top part of a C major chord. We've got second finger on the second fret of the D, open G, first finger, first fret of the B, and open high E. Same strumming, down, up, down. So there's the D chord with the F sharp in the bass, down to the top part of the C chord. And we're going to go to the top part of the G bar chord. So we've got a first finger bar on the third fret of the E and B strings, second finger, fourth fret of the G, and then the third finger there on the fifth fret of the D string. Same strumming. And then we're going to hit it again on the fourth time and slide up 2 frets to an A chord, and then we're going to strum up, up. Okay, so for the G part, between the little hits on the A chord there, just going to release the pressure to make it a bit more of a staccato sound. So the G, slowly we have the D chord, top part of the C, the G, slide, and the 2 staccato hits. Sometimes it's just 1 staccato hit. So with 1 staccato hit, it would sound like this. A lot of the time throughout the song, we're going to actually be picking this part. It's the same chords. We're just going to pick D, G, strum down on the D chord, D, G, strum down on the C chord. Then for the G, D, G, strum, slide, and then the staccato hits. Okay, so D, G, strum, D, G, strum, D, G, strum, slide, and then the staccato hits. So there's also a break section in the song which is pretty tricky to play actually. It starts off with this F sharp minor chord voicing. It's essentially a D minor chord shape just moved up here. So we have the first finger on the 4th fret of the D string, the second finger on the 5th fret of the high E string, third finger, 6th fret of the G, and the pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B string. We're going to strum 1, 2, and, or down, up, 1, 2, and, 4. Then we're going to go to a G sus2 chord. Again, tricky to play. Pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D, first finger, 2nd fret of the G, and the third finger there on the 3rd fret of the B string. For this one, we're going to strum 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, and. So slowly, the F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, and to the G sus2. That's just played once. Then we're going to go to a standard E major chord and pick D, G, strum down. Then we'll strum again on an up strum. B minor, down, rest, up on a G, up 2 frets to an A, up, down, up. So the E, B, G, A. And the whole part slowly, we have the F sharp minor to the G sus2, the E major chord, B minor, G, A. The song fades out on the B minor, G, A chord part, but we're just going to play it slightly differently. We have a single strum on a B, the rest, and then we're going to play up, down on a G, and then up, down on an A, and that repeats. So the B, G, A, B, G, repeating. And so on. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. You can grab a free PDF tab from my website, the link is in the description. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.